What's happening, guys? So today I have something super special for you. I have an unboxing I wanted to do. So I literally picked up one of these things about a day or two ago, and the other one just got delivered today. So let's jump right to it. All right, so if you could probably tell from what the title of this one is, or what's on the box, you'll know exactly what it is. Now, disclaimer, I did open this one just to make sure that, hey, what was in here, and to double check, see if there's anything additional I needed. So that is why I put the tape on it to make it dramatic effect. So this is the let's get rid of all the paperwork. This is the TRD performance intake. So, or other known as just basically engine dress up. So yeah, picked this up from the Toyota dealership. A little on the pricey side, but you know, it's a TRD thing, so it's going to be a little bit more expensive. I'm not going to be installing this or the other box today. I'll have a separate video for that, but I would definitely want to do the unboxing for you guys. So here's what it comes with. So we've got some hoses, some clamps, part of the inlet hose. That has, I guess, the reservoir, a resonator or reservoir box that's attached to it. A tape tube, so another tube. Let's put this out. And then the famed TRD top, air box filter. And then this is where all the money is. Actually, I haven't even looked at this yet. So, more instructions. And then that is the air filter. Super nice. I like the red. Red's my favorite color, so I like the red accents. Alrighty, so let's put this aside. Let's get to this other one. So this one I'm super excited about. Packing list. Oh, another box. A box and a box. All right, so let's do this. Oh, good. Alrighty. I'm super excited about these. This is probably one of the most anticipated packages or things I've gotten for this truck so far. Oh, Lord. At least it's not packing peanuts. Oh my gosh. This looks so good. Alright, how do we get this out of here the best way? No! Oh, ho, ho, ho. Wow. Look at these things. Oh my God, does this look so awesome. Wow, check this out. So these are the headlights by, I believe it's called Spider. I got them from Tacoma Beast, which, so this is what they look like. So this whole piece right here, so on the TRD models, like the off-road and the TRD Pro and things like that, they only have like this little light right here, which is like a LED. On this one, this is sequential, fully sequential, and you have the whole LED light bar with two projectors in there as well. Oh man, this is so cool. And it looks like it's already ready to rock and roll. I do not know what bulbs these take. So I have read that they do take different bulbs than what's in the stock factory housing, so I'm gonna have to check those out. Alrighty, cool. Let's move on to the next one. No, it's not. Come on down. Just cut it open here and pull it up that way. Oh, having major difficulties. Oh man, I have to do this one exact same way. Check this out. Goodness. Perfect. Man, I don't know what to say. They just look so perfect. I like the dark housing. No more chrome. Going full stealth mode on the Taco. On the SR5 Pro. Alright, let me put these back in the box, protect them, and get. Alright guys, so that is the unboxing. Like I said, I'll be filming separate install videos for both of those. The intake will probably be super quick. I'm not guessing that's going to take more than maybe 30 minutes. The headlights, on the other hand, could probably take maybe over an hour, maybe 2 hours. I have heard that they are a little bit of a pain in the butt because you actually have to go up underneath of the bumper in order to undo one singular bolt on each one. So yeah, I'm gonna need a little bit more time for that. Probably gonna do those tomorrow though, so because I have tomorrow off, so I will film both of those, upload them, let you guys see how easy the install was, and then for both of these, what I'll do is I'll drop a link in the description for where you can get both of these items too. So until then, you guys have a good one. Peace out.